Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
At the end of a closed meeting in Jalingo, Taraba State, the 6 governors consisting of the Northeast Governors Forum emerged with a 10-point communique bordering on issues concerning the sub-region. The governors agreed that security has improved in the Northeast states and want the large number of internally displaced persons safely resettled back to their ancestral homes, with humanitarian aid from the national and international community directed towards that course. They also called on the relevant security agencies to put an eye on the inflow of drugs and narcotics into the region, which they say has greatly contributed to the security challenges faced by the sub-region. The chairman of the forum and governor of Borno State, Babagana Zulum, briefed newsmen on the outcome of the meeting.
The forum also notes the negative impact of drug and narcotic substances in the region and the extent to which it fuels the insurgency and other forms of criminality in the region. It therefore calls for support in the area of stopping drug trafficking and enforcing narcotic control within the region and across the borders.
The forum also called for better consultations between the Northeast Development Commission and the state governments on areas of intervention by the Commission.
The forum therefore calls on the Commission to consult the various state governments within the region on priorities for intervention, locations of projects, and the development of the Northeast Master Plan. It equally calls for expedited action to complete the existing projects in the region.
Technical support for agricultural businesses, improved quality of education in the region, as well as shortfall of Northeast employees in federal agencies were also issues highlighted in the communique by the Northeast governors.